Welcome back to my exam revision. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of integration using reverse chain rule for A-level mathematics. We will discuss about, number 1, how the chain in differentiation is similar to integration. And then we are going to solve a few step-by-step examples. So let's get started. Topic: chain rule in differentiation versus chain rule in integration. So first let's see how we differentiated functions using chain rule. For example, f of x is sine of x squared. Please remember, here only x is squared, not the whole sign. So it is not something like this. Now if we want to differentiate it, it will be f of g of x, where your outer function, that is f, corresponds to sine, and your inner function, that is g, represents x squared. So, the differentiation of f of g of x is f dash of g x times g dash of x. So to differentiation of sine of x squared, we will first differentiate sine, for which we will get cosine. So, f dash of g x is cosine of x squared. Now we will differentiate x squared. So, g dash of x is 2x. This is how we differentiate with chain rule. Now, since we know differentiation and integration are reverse processes, so reverse of this formula will give us integration. So, if we times our previous formula by dx and reverse it, we will get integral of f dash of g x times g dash of x is f of g of x. So, the integration of cosine of x squared times 2x will be sine of x squared. Now, as you can see, if we want to use our formula for integration here, we need two things. Number 1, a function inside a function. For example, in our question we have cosine of x squared. So, we have two functions. The outer function is cosine, and the inner function is x squared. Number 2, we need the derivative of inner function. Now the derivative of x squared is 2x. We also have this question. Please remember, only if you have these two things, you will be able to use reverse chain rule. Now, in order to complete our formula, we just need f of g of x. So we just need to integrate the function f. The function f is cosine, so its integration is going to be sine. And g of x is nothing but x squared. So, f of g of x is sine of x squared. Now to make we understand this, let's do one more example. Here, we are told to integration the x squared plus 5 whole to the power of 4 times x. So, according the formula we need two things. First is the function of function. As we can see, our function of function is x squared plus 5 whole to the power of 4. Here the outside function is the power of 4 and the inside function is x squared plus 5. Second, we need the derivative of the inside function. Our inside function is x squared plus 5. So, its derivative will be 2x. But, we only have x. So, we can multiply and divide with 2 to get 2x. Now, in order to integrate this, we just need to integrate our outer function, which is nothing but the power of 4. So, the integral of g of x to the power of 4 is g of x to the power of 5, divided by 5. From here, we get x squared plus 5 to the power of 5, divided by 5. With this, I hope you get a clear understanding of how to use reverse chain rule for integration. For more questions and in-depth understanding, you can visit my website, myexamrevision.com, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and comment if you have any other doubts. Thank you.